Did you know a woman from Africa defeated the British Empire for over 30 years, and they don't teach you about her? Her name was Queen Nanny of the Maroons, and she was a military genius who made British soldiers run in fear. Born in Ghana, Nanny either escaped slavery or came to Jamaica as a free woman. She built Nanny Town deep in the Blue Mountains where escaped slaves could live free. But here's where it gets incredible. She turned her people into invisible warriors. Nanny mastered guerrilla warfare like no European had ever seen. Her fighters would appear from nowhere, attack British troops, then vanish back into the jungle. The British couldn't catch them, couldn't find them, couldn't beat them. Legend says Nanny could catch bullets with her rare hands and throw them back at the enemies. Whether true or not, British soldiers were terrified of her supernatural powers and African war cries echoing through the mountains. After 30 years of crushing defeats, the mighty British Empire had to surrender. In 1740, they signed official peace treaties recognizing Maroon independence. An African woman had outfought Europe's greatest military power and won permanent freedom for her people.